Let's look at 2 ways to get better audio conferencing: traditional and the HDL300 system. On the traditional path, you must first choose from lots of vendors, which is nice if you collect business cards. With the HDL300, it's a quick live online demo. Hi, Adrian! He'll mail you his business card if you like. Traditional vendors will want to do site visits. Do you have time for that? And then there are the estimates. Yikes. There's no site visit with the HDL300 and no estimate. The prices are right on the website. And here are some of the people involved in a typical traditional implementation. Yeah, no wonder the prices can really add up. The HDL300, you install it yourself in like 30 minutes and you're ready to go. Let's bottom line it. Seems like it's complicated and costly versus easy and economical. Oh, would you like to leave me your business card? See you next time.